went and fucked it up. I wonder when I love me is enough.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, and if you are new here, then you shouldn't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to put your post notifications on, because your girl is hitting you up with some goodies and you don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out on any video. Trust me, because when that video hit and you missed out on it, then that's your loss. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. So I went to Dollar Tree, which is my all-time favorite store, because for some reason Dollar Tree just has the best items for the low. And y'all be sleeping on Dollar Tree, like, y'all, it's just $1, and I got all this. It's a whole lot. So let's get right into this video. So we're going to start with this pocket first. This bag. So in this bag, I always get one of this from the Dollar Tree. It's simply just, the reason I always get this from the Dollar Tree, it's 2 razors and it's $1. I always get the pink one because for some reason I love pink. And there are 6 blades in it. Like, you have 6 different blades. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me try to open this packet up. You guys can see this is 6 different blades. You guys can see? Yes, that's a lot of blades for $1. 6 blades, you cannot beat that. It's $1, and it comes 2 in 1 for $1. I got 2. Because why not? Next thing I got is my iMovie. Let's see how this looks. This is so pretty. I just love the colors. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. Yes, right there. It's so shiny, so it kind of reflects with the ring light. I love it. I can't wait to sleep on this tonight. And that was $1 too. And then I found me, oh god, this smells so good, you guys. This is awesome. It smells so good. I can't wait to get me a bath with this bath salt in it. It is a lavender salt. It says luxury collection, and it got all those little grains of lavender in it, if you guys can see it. So okay, right there you can see all the little grains, and it smells so good. It is so relaxing. I was running out of my lavender salt and I found this. I was like, and it got the grains, the little lavenders in it. This is a steal for $1. I love ocean mist. I couldn't find the Suave, and I was like, I saw this and I was like, why not? I don't know why I got it, but I got it anyway because it's ocean mist and I love the smell. It smells good. It makes you smell fresh after shower. So I got one. And then I got this. I don't know how this is gonna look like, but I got it, so I hope it looks good when I apply it. So this is like a blush and a bronzer. So I don't know how it's gonna look. So this is the bronzer. It looks pretty good. And the blush, that's a pretty color. And that's a little, just one swap. That's a pretty pink color. Ooh, I'm getting, I'm about to rock this color on my face. This is, I can't believe it. And it's $1. You guys, look at how pink that is. It's $1. Stop sleeping on this stuff. Go get you one. Go shop at the Dollar Tree, that's all. I don't know why people don't shop there. They got good stuff. So I got this charger. I needed one for one of my other phones. I need to charge it up. I think the charger is acting up. So I got a pink. And I got this. It's a lip gloss. No, velvet lip mousse from LA Color. It's like a nude color. It's a velvet matte texture. It's nude. So it's like this pretty lip gloss, lipstick kind of color. I really love it. I wish I could get it out, but it doesn't want to get out anyway. So let's forget about that. And then I got the DAG brown eye pencil. And then I got this. I've been wanting to get one of this. I found one the other time. It's foot treatment mask. It's like a stocking. You wear it on your leg and let it sit and get your leg cleaned out and soft. So this is like for moisturizing, just for moisture. And I found it at Dollar Tree. I'm like, and then I got this lip liner. It's in the color totally pinkish. It is so pretty. It looks pretty. Can't wait to try that too. So I got I think it's just a pink facial makeup remover. It's all the way too pinkish and it's glittering too much. So, and one more thing, how pretty is this bath bomb? How pretty is the color? I love the color of this bath bomb. It is so pretty. This is so cute. I only got it because it was cute though. So, and then I have eyeliner. It was $1 from LA Colors, and I love the like the application. It's like a little sharp aim, so you can get like the wing eye perfectly. So I got this. Before I forget, I got this basket, $1 too. I don't know why I got it. I think I want to put some random stuff in it. So I'm gonna put them right here. Next item I got was this baby pink. It is a baby pink, like, so it's kind of so shiny, but they are so cute, so pretty. So I wanted a pink one, but the pink one looked kind of scanty. It looked like they had 2 loafers on it only. So I decided to go with the blue because that was the only next favorite color of mine that was available. There was a navy blue. I decided I love the royal blue more than the navy blue. The navy blue is just too dark for me. So I decided to go with the royal blue. Shower time. This sugar coffee scrub, and it smells so good. It smells just like coffee. Like you can smell all the coffee in the scrub. I can't wait to try it. This was so good. So this was $1. It looks like this. It's very small. If I try it and it's good, I'm gonna get more, but it's too small and it smells good. Like, and we come into the last few things. So I got one of this. As you can see from the back, I have one on the wall. Yes, I got that for $1 too. So I got this for another section of my room. It looked kind of empty. The wall looks kind of empty. So I'm gonna put this over there, and it's so cute. It's like this one. It's pretty. And then I got this little frames. Yes, I got this little wall frames. They are the prettiest little wall frames ever. I have like almost like more than 10 of them all around my house, because I've been buying when I go to the Dollar Tree and I see a cute one with a cute something written on it. I just get it because they're just so pretty and they kind of make your house look cute and glowy, and you can just put them anywhere like randomly. So this one is for the bathroom. I have 2 already, so I'm gonna put this ones too in the bathroom. It just has wash, brush, and flush. So it's like a little instruction for those who use the bathroom and don't want to flush. Wash, brush, flush. Period. Period, boo. So this one just has a little bathtub, and it says happiness. It's taking a long hot bath. Who wouldn't want to take a bath in a bathroom with something like this in the wall, and you're looking like, ooh, a warm bath? Then I'm about to be happy. Get your hot shower, a very long one. Just sit in the bathtub and be happy. Please leave me a comment in the comment section. I love that area of my videos. Like, that's my best favorite area, the comment section below, because there I get to talk to all my subscribers. I get to interact with you guys. I get to check you, those who have channels. I get to check your channels out. And those who do not have channels who are not on YouTube, I get to talk to you, reply to your questions. Like, and we're like a little family. We communicate with each other, we talk to each other. So it is a good place for you guys to leave your comments, concerns, and please do not forget to leave me video suggestions down in the comment section. So if you want any, if you have like any inexpensive thing you want me to go try, or anything that you wanted me to try yourself and you're like not very sure. Oh, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and please watch out for my next video. Hope you notification bell, hope you are getting notified, because if your notification bell is not on, then you're going to be missing out on the content, and you can hold me responsible for that. Because if I put content out there and you're not seeing them on time, why are you supposed to blame? Who can you blame? Me? No, you. So hit that bell and see you on the next.